Severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 363, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Montgomery, Polk, Richmond, Rowan, Rutherford, Stanley, Swain, Transylvania, Union, and Yancey. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 363 has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Montgomery, Polk, Richmond, Rowan, Rutherford, Stanley, Swain, Transylvania, Union, and Yancey. This has been your weather. Rutherford has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, northwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Forest City, or 8 miles north of Bostic, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelby, Cherryville, Bellwood, Lawndale, Patterson Springs, Fallston, Polkville, Baltimore, Waco, and Kaiser. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report.
There we go!
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Davie County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles southwest of Yadkinville, or 6 miles east of Love Valley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moxville, Bermuda Run, Coolini, Harmony, Olin, Sheffield, Turnersburg, Union Grove, Farmington, and Fort Church. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Davie, and Ardell.
Here we go, guys.
National Weather Service in Greenville Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Southern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Shelby, or near Fallston, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Lincolnton, Cherryville, Bessemer City, South Gastonia, Dallas, Stanley, Lowell, Renlo, and Bellwood. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. The storm is producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, and Lincoln. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg,